Welcome to DataFeedWatch. I'm quickly going to show you how to connect your store to DataFeedWatch, how to create a data feed, and how to upload it to a shopping channel. Step 1 is connecting your store to DataFeedWatch. First, you click Add Shop, then enter the name of your shop. Next, select the shopping cart or e-commerce platform your shop is running on. If you select a source like Magento, you'll find detailed instructions behind the Learn More link, giving you a step-by-step overview. This will show you what you need to do to connect your store to DataFeedWatch and allow us to download your product data. If you have another shopping cart, you can select Upload a Feed file. We can download a CSV or an XML file from any URL you specify in this bar. When you click Create Shop, the first download of your product data starts. This may take a few minutes depending on the size of your feed. When the download is complete, we will notify you by email. To get started, you will map the fields from your store to DataFeedWatch internal fields. Then, you can use the DataFeedWatch internal fields for every channel you'd like to advertise on. Click Start and you'll see the DataFeedWatch internal fields on the left. The fields we've taken from your store are in the pull-downs on the right. You can create internal fields by renaming them from one of your fields or by using other rules. For example, if you don't have a field for color in your store, use Add Static Value to create an internal field for color. You can take the colors from the product title or description. You can enrich your title by combining it with brand and other attributes. Edit Values lets you modify the values of any field. With internal fields, you won't have to create rules for every channel. Now, click the blue Channels button to create your first feed. First, pick a country. Then, select the channel you'd like to advertise on. Let's pick Google Shopping. If you already claimed your domain in Google Merchant Center, you can enter it here. Then, scroll down and click Add Channel. This will take you to create your feed. Creating a feed happens in 3 steps. The first step, Map Fields, you will create your feed according to the channel's specifications. In this example, it's Google Shopping. On the left-hand side, you see all the fields that Google Shopping requires. Since we already mapped the output fields to the DataFeedWatch internal fields, you can use those here. Or you can map them from the input fields we downloaded from your store. You may want to do this to make channel-specific adjustments. In addition to renaming, you can also combine fields or add a static value. We have separate videos on these topics. You can apply any rule to all products or to any group of products that you specify with if. Edit Values lets you modify the values of any field. If you want to add more fields to your feed, click Add Optional Field. Select a field from the list and add it to your feed. Then, map it the same way. Click Save and proceed to move to the next step, Exclude Products. This tab is most often used to exclude certain products from your feed, like exclude products with a price of less than $10. Click Save and proceed to the last tab, Categories. First, set a default category. Type a few letters and DataFeedWatch will show you all the matching categories. Select the most appropriate default category, then map each individual product type. You can take a look at our separate video for more detail. Now your feed is ready and stored on the URL on the Channels page. Just copy the URL and paste it in the Channels Merchant Center. They'll fetch your feed from DataFeedWatch. Our help pages offer detailed instructions on how to upload to the most popular channels. Do you need help? We're always around. Contact us on live chat, phone, or email. Our help pages contain detailed instructions about everything you need to know. Thanks for watching and welcome to DataFeedWatch.